guys. We just wanted to make a quick review about this super cool magnetic train set that we got for our girls. They've been asking me for a train set. So pretty much this is really easy to build. It comes with 175 pieces. You could make any forms, whatever, you know, my girls, especially the older ones, she's been doing whatever, you know, any figure she like. But it does come with instructions, like a manual where it tells you how to build them. And then every color represents a different letter. It has this cool little suction things, so you could suction to the ground so it won't move. Also with this little stamps, like this one right here. There's a lot of them. And yeah, so I think it's very good for the motor skills because it allows them to, you know, work with their hands. But overall, we're very satisfied with this train set. That's it.